boom, that's one. All right, I got one.
Fly away, fly away. I'm your president.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo TV with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so back with foosball. Last time I lost, but I was still doing good. I'll let you go first. Are we supposed to have two of them?
No, not just put them in my hand.
Alright, I got green, you got blue. Make sure, well, you gotta come this way. You gotta get the points. So make sure they see. Nah, this really bad. I'm doing worse than I did yesterday. Yesterday I was doing 3. Whoa! Yo, yesterday I was actually doing good. I ain't gonna lie. I swear I was doing good yesterday. What in the world? Alright, come on. Alright, boom, that's one. Alright, I got one.
Alright, here you go.
Oh, that's stuff. Oh my goodness.
That's an easy point. Get it backwards, baby. There you go. Come on. Give it to me.
Ah. Alright, here we go. Boom. Another one. Oh, there it is. I thought you grabbed my hand.
Anything necessary, huh? Any means. Just take it down. Are you gonna punch one of my drawers?
I just tapped it, alright?
Oh. There it is.
No.
Game.
That's game?
Game.
Nah, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Water.
Alright, you won. I did better last time. I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. So, you know what I'm saying? Whole lot of copyright, but I'm about to go inside the shoe store. I've never been inside it, so I'm gonna see what it's about. You know what I'm saying? No cap. Alright, definitely palm trees, but you know what I'm saying? Here. Converted Let's see what it's talking about. Hopefully, oh, it sound like copyright. But we made it here. I'm gonna get rid of that shop boys. You know what I'm saying? We get flight ready. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, this flight, I need something to lean on. I need something to, you know what I'm saying, rest on, things of that nature. So, you feel me? Gotta put this on. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put this on. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But yo, I don't even know how many minutes I got for this vlog, but you feel me? Yeah, going home today. Las Vegas Files vlog. T-Pain was in the last one. Same thing with Dump Master and more. You feel me? Yo, they have some fire cars that shit. I ain't gonna lie. But today, I ain't gonna lie, I got like my tongue is so burnt, bro. Like, it's burnt as heck. I can barely like taste stuff, all types of stuff. I end up getting ointment for my tongue, but I can't open it. I need scissors or something. So, no cap. So, hopefully, my tongue will heal soon. No cap. Oh, of course I went towards the copyright. No. But yeah, I'm gonna get right back to y'all boys. Yo, so it's currently November, I think 3rd or something like that.
Jasmine just said she's dating a geek.
Yep, November 3rd, you know what I'm saying? And Fortnite is going back. So Fortnite is officially went back in time. So it's like season 3, I think. Dusty D popped back. I just seen it. So as soon as I get home, or like once I get rest, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna stream. You know what I'm saying? I just stream Fortnite. No cap. When I get back. That's just so let y'all know, you know what I'm saying? Press the link down below. Go to my Twitch, you feel me? I'm gonna be live on there, streaming Fortnite. No cap. And I'm gonna pop it up on stream. Or on screen. I said stream. I'm gonna pop it up on screen now. You feel me? That's my Twitch. But it's with a 0, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? The number is 0. But yeah. Look at this though. Look at this view. W view. Look at this house is up there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but this house is up there. Oh, the sun's in the way. Why the sun went in the way? Here we go. Y'all can kind of see it. But yeah. No cabins. We didn't even going up a hill right now. That's why. But yeah, I'm gonna get right back to you. About to get something to eat. Alright, so we just got to eat at a place called Dirt Dog. And I couldn't taste it because my tongue burnt. So I can't even rate it for y'all. But what's your ratings?
I'm gonna give it a 9.
9?
9 out of 10. It was actually really good.
9, 10, okay.
I give it an 8.5.
8.5? Okay. Alright.
And then I'm gonna give another 0.5 for these people making out.
Okay, that's
We got a
weird.
9.5.
That's wild.
You like it?
What? Yo, I don't know what's wrong
No,
with
because
you.
he said he gave it an extra rating. I don't know if you like it.
Nah,
Give it
that's
extra
crazy.
0.5 for the
Yeah, that's
9.5.
crazy. Yeah, that's...
But Clona's got to be good because they got to make out before they get their food.
No, it's wild. But yeah, I didn't get to taste it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to come back.
I like that like there.
I'm gonna have to come back one day and actually sit there and try the food with my taste buds, because yo, I hate my tongue being burnt. I put like the stuff that I couldn't open the other day. Well, not the other day, the other clip. Like I got it open, or it's open now, but I put it on my tongue. Well, it's not working well. It's like it works for a little bit and then it goes away. So I don't know. I can feel it coming back now. But yeah, look at this. I feel like I can't blare. Look at that. Finally, a focus. Y'all can kind of see the what you call it? The mountains and things of that nature. Look at these cribs. Are we gonna go past the houses, those big houses?
Yeah, we got to figure out how to get that way because
Oh, you can't really turn. But yeah, we better go look at some big houses out here. So I'm gonna get right back to your boys. So we made it to the Las Vegas sign, but look at all these people waiting to take a picture in front of it. That's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's outrageous. Like, look, they got parking space and all that, just to take a picture. No, I don't think it's even worth it staying in that line.
Yeah,
just
I
to
mean, like
eat.
you can get it. You can get it the same at the airport, pretty much. You can get the sign at the
Yeah,
airport.
you can get beside the airport. Get in a car, man. Practice the driver car right there. I can't even talk correctly because I got numbing stuff on my tongue. and more. But yeah, look at that. So I'm about to go down the view sunset. You can't even see it for real, but you can see like the sky. It's kind of look nice, I ain't gonna lie. But like, yo, really think about this.
Nice.
Yeah, it is nice for sure. Well, it's like, think about it, it's really the desert. There's like a whole bunch of stuff in the middle of the desert. Like, look at it, you can see.
What's so funny, Gemini?
5 hours later.
Alright, so right now, I'm at this random mall thing, I don't know. But oh, it's blurry, Hold on. Yeah, I'm at this random mall thing. Feel me? I'm just chilling in the middle right now. They in the other store trying on clothes and things of that nature. My tongue is still burnt. Like, or it still feel burnt, I guess you say. And the numbing thing isn't like working that well. So even though I told you that, I put some more numbing stuff on it. And it's still, you know what I'm saying, burnt. So it is what it is at this point. Hopefully I don't get copyright. I'm gonna walk away from this copyright. I ain't trying to get copyright. But I'm gonna go this way. I haven't been this way yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go out to Las Vegas is W. I'm gonna rate it like an 8. It was great, but if I could taste, it'd be way better. I ain't gonna lie, it would be 100% better. Oh, copyright. I ain't trying to get copyright. But yo, they in there painting as well. That's crazy. I think it's a paint and sip, but it's a whole lot of people outside. What the heck? It's only, let me see what time it is. It is only, let me see, 7 o'clock. It's only 7 o'clock. There's a whole lot of people outside. That's crazy. And look at that, they already got Christmas stuff out. And it's only November. Black truck ski. I don't know if I can see it, W black truck. But yo, now look at that over there, big building. I don't know if y'all can see it in the distance, though. It's over there. And the pyramid, y'all can see it like right there. I ain't gonna lie, the skyline fire. But I ain't gonna lie, Las Vegas is really just like desert, but with stuff all in the desert. I ain't gonna lie. It's like, it got the little desert parts, but the main part is just a whole bunch of stuff in the middle of the desert. To be honest, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go this way. I can't go towards the copyright. I ain't gonna lie. But yo, yeah, this trip was a W though, no cap. And it's hot outside. Well, it's cool like during the night. When the daytime be hot, like the sun be beaming. Look at that C8. I didn't see so many cars this weekend. It's crazy. Now the cinema show was fire too. Never been here. I gotta go one day in your life. No cap. The Burnout show was fire. I love the Burnout shows. It's in the last vlog. If y'all didn't go watch that, go watch the last vlog. Also, stream coming soon. Like I told y'all. Link down in the bio or link in the description, whatever you call it. Yo, look at that. I remember as a kid, I used to love the little choo-choo train and the little mall. Let me know down in the comments if y'all know what I'm talking about. There's grown folks in there. That's crazy. Yeah, grown people in there. It's crazy. Oh, this the main part. But yo, the weather fire in Las Vegas. You know what I'm saying? Probably because it's wintertime back at home. Feel me? But come here during the wintertime. It's worth it. No cap. But yeah. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.